So I woke up this morning to a video circulating on social media, a video where Governor Adeleke, the governor of Osun State, was empowering his people down Osun State. I would want you to watch the video and also watch the video where the APC administration also they feed Nigerians. Please watch the video.
You have to be fast.
Sorry, please. Oh, sorry. I'm not going to Go. Sorry.
Keep it moving. Keep it moving from.
You watched the video, right? Now, so I haven't seen this video, two different videos. One of them, now the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration of APC, when they feed Nigerians, they give them carbohydrate, rice, indomie, this, spaghetti, may they go eat carbohydrate. So that when you eat finish, you go get sugar problem. Right? When you eat finish, 2-3 months, you get sugar problem, you go back to factory reset, your problem continue because the food don't finish and there is nothing, absolutely nothing you can do for yourself. Because when diabetes don't worry you, not come here cause shots. Because now the thing where you carry, go shop sugar, they don't give you, right? On the other hand, is a governor that understands these people can feed themselves. They should feed themselves. It is not about giving people food for just 1, 2, 3 weeks, 1 month to eat. They should learn how to fish. And then, waiting he decide to do now to empower him people. Hairdressing equipment, generators, fridge, machines. These are things that you give to the people. You empower the people. Do not forget that when one person opens salon, for example, that person will have more than 2 persons working with them. Waiting that thing don't do. You don't pull people from the unemployment space. Give them employment. Empower them because they will learn and then they can now be free and now empower people. That is how a society grow. That is how you make people to be free. That is how you make people to make income, to make a living. You empower people. You don't just give people food to eat. And that is what Governor Adeleke had done here for his people in Osun State. Empower the people so that these people can also contribute to government and governance in his state. Because if it continues like this and even do greater things, you will understand that in the next 2 to 3 years, the unemployment for Osun State go drop. Because people are empowered. People have something to do. And then they can feed themselves. Unlike these people I give you only carbohydrate, you now have the money for yourself to buy what you want to eat. If you want to eat yam, you can go to the market and buy yam. You want to eat plantain, you can go to the market and buy plantain. You want to eat turkey, you can go to the market and buy turkey. You want to eat fish, you can go to the market and buy fish. You have the resources yourself to take care of yourself. You want to travel, you can wake up in the morning and travel because you have been empowered to make money for yourself and for your family. You can pay your children's school fees because you have been empowered. But on the other hand, this set of people, they don't eat food finish. Their children still they poor. They cannot pay for their children's school fees. They cannot feed themselves after this set of food now finish. They cannot feed themselves. They're not going to pay house rent. They can't buy clothes for themselves because the only thing when they concerned about now feeding. And after that 1, 2 months, when the food finish, government not going to answer you again. But you see, on the other hand, Governor Adeleke people now, in the next 3-4 months, they will be employers of labor and then they can make money for themselves. And so tell me, this set of people government now for Osun State don't empower. If you tell these people, for example, to even they pay tax of 10,000 naira every month, they will be happy to want to pay because they want to give back to the government. But on the other hand, you guys are perpetual beggars. Perpetual beggars. And as una not get shame that they use on the cash cruise where they go give on a rice, they go the video now. Video now, so now they suffer, so now be poor people. So now they suffer, now they make una they live. How old when you there? How many years you be? So all these while where you they live, so they eat, they survive now. Nobody disgrace you. Only small food where they give where go last you for 2 months now. The video you put you for life. So now their food you take they survive since you not say you no get sense. Oh, shame! All of una shame. So you've not been eating since. If this food finish now in 2-3 months, now what happen next? Instead of you to agitate for that which is your right, that government and governance should be about the people, making provisions for you to be empowered so that you can live the kind of life you want to live at your terms. Even though I know that Governor Adeleke should do more than this, all the governors should do more than this. Set up factories. Set up, places where people can go and make money. You can. It is the people's right. They collect money for that purpose. But no, they will not do it. They prefer to turn you as beggars and film to the world saying that they feed you. Governor Adeleke, congratulations. Keep it up. When you want to do next, do something bigger, do something greater. Don't worry. What you need to do is for you to just perform. Leave the party where you did. Once you perform, you don't need to do APC. Governor Alex Otti no need to go APC. He go win anytime, any day. Even if he come out from political party when only him not even dead there, he go still win because of what he is doing for his people. He clear, he show. So Nigerians, choose wisely. Do you rather want a system of government that controls your life totally and enslave you, or you want a system of government that empowers you to be in charge of your life, your decision, and everything you need to do for yourself? Nigerians, think and be smart. Peace and love.